Welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to solve a problem related to the topic height and distance. The question gives us the angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 60 degree. After a flight of 30 seconds the angle of elevation becomes 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 3000 √3 meter, find the speed of the aeroplane. So at first we need to try to make a diagram using all these informations. I have made one. Let's see here. So let this be the ground level. Okay. Let B be the point where the aeroplane is initially at. Okay. And the plane is moving from B to C in time t equals to 30 seconds. Okay. At point B, the angle of elevation of the aeroplane was 60 degree. At point C, it changes to 30 degree. We are also given height of the aeroplane was constant, right? That means CD equals to BE equals to 3000 √3 meter. Now using these values we need to find out the distance ED. If we find the distance, we can divide it by time to get the speed of the aeroplane. That is the concept. So, solution. In triangle AEB, okay, AEB. In triangle AEB, let's use BE and AE. That is tan 60 degree is equal to P by B. P is B, B is A. BE by A. Or tan 60 is we know √3. BE is the height of the aeroplane, which is 3000 √3 by A. √3 cancels out, so AE comes out to be 3000 meter. This is 3000 meter. Okay. Now let's consider the larger triangle ACD or ADC. In triangle ADC, again we have the perpendicular. Let's try to find out the base using tan 30. So in triangle ADC, tan 30 equals to CD by AD. Right? CD by AD. Tan 30 is 1 by √3. CD, that is 3000 √3 by AD. Or AD equals to 3000 into 3. That is 9000 meter. So we got this total distance as well, 9000 meter. Now we can get the ED. So ED equals to this part, ED equals to AD minus AE. AD minus AE. AD is 9000, AE is 3000. Therefore, ED equals to 6000 meter. It means BC equals to ED equals to 6000. That is, the plane traveled how much? 6000 meter distance within 30 seconds. We know speed equals to distance by time, equals to, we have distance to be 6000 by 30 is equals to 200 meter per second. Hence, the speed of aeroplane is 200 meter per second.